In this video, I will be demonstrating how to build a pivot table and a combination graph. First, you want to open up your sheet that has the data that's going to be in the pivot table. You want to go to Insert, and click on Pivot Chart. Make sure the range has everything you want and that you want it on a new worksheet, and you click OK. Now you are on a worksheet where you can begin to construct the pivot table. And you are going to do that by finding the different categories in the field name. And we want retailer country in the columns, so we're going to put that as the legend. And then we want product line in the rows, which is going to go under axis. And then for values, we want quantity and revenue. And we want those to be averages. So we're going to click on the little I. And then click average and OK. And then do the same for revenue. And then we're also going to want to change the formatting of the numbers by going back to that I and clicking number at the bottom left corner. Change the decimal to 0, click on the check to have commas, and click OK. And for revenue, we want it to be currency, so we're going to click currency under number and click OK. Now we are going to want to restrict the field values to be Australia and Korea. We do that by deselecting all and finding Australia and Korea on the list. From here, we are going to build the combination chart by selecting all of the data. And then we're going to go to Insert and find combination chart on the ribbon. Some of the variables are displayed incorrectly on this graph, so we need to change the formatting of them. And to do this on a Mac, it is a more difficult process, which will be shown here, which means you need to select each individual piece of data and go to the format. And here's me selecting the one that I need. And then I'm going to want to change this to a line with markers. So I'm going to click on Change Chart Type, go to Line, and find the line with markers and select that one. Then we're going to need to change this one as well, so we're going to select Change Chart Type and change it to a clustered column. And then we're also going to change this other one to be a line with markers. Now we need to get these clustered columns to be on a second axis. So from here, I'm going to go to Format and open up the Format pane. And then I'm going to click on Secondary Axis for both of the columns. And that will fix this clustered column chart on the pivot table. And you save your work and you're done.